Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Imagine a machine that not only follows programmed instructions but can also think, reason, and learn independently, just like a human. That's AGI for you. So what exactly sets AGI apart from the AI we encounter daily? Well, most AI systems today are what we call narrow AI. These are designed to excel at specific tasks like playing chess, recognizing faces, or even recommending your next binge watch on Netflix. They're powerful, no doubt, but they're limited to their programmed tasks. Now, AGI is a whole different ballgame. Think of AGI as a kind of super intelligent human in machine form. It's not just good at one thing. It's capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across an incredibly wide range of tasks. Solving complex problems, adapting to new environments, and performing any intellectual task a human can, all within one system. Picture this. An AGI could switch from diagnosing medical conditions to drafting legal documents to creating art, all without missing a beat. It's like having Einstein, Shakespeare, and Da Vinci rolled into one digital brain. But here's the catch. AGI isn't here yet. It's still largely theoretical, a major goal in AI research. Scientists and engineers are making strides, but creating a machine that can think and learn like a human is no small feat. It requires a level of cognitive ability and adaptability that current AI just doesn't have. So why should you care? Because AGI has the potential to revolutionize everything from healthcare to education to space exploration. It's the next big leap in AI, and it's closer than you might think. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep an eye on the horizon. The future of AI is incredibly exciting, and AGI might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring.